Hi, well the first thing to note about Xtreme Pip Poacher is the information that's provided on chart to the user. If you look in the top left hand corner of any of the currency pair charts that you're trading, you'll notice there's information with regards to the account, in this particular case kickback receipt, settings found for the Euro USD, which is the optimized settings found, what the account actually is and supports in terms of lot sizing. So this particular account is a standard account and supports mini and micro lots. The actual optimized settings back test, which changes every so often, typically about once every 2 to 3 weeks. So at the moment we have statistics with regard to the last optimized back test for the optimized settings that you're going to forward trade into, and also a predicted system velocity, which is a proprietary measure which gives you an idea, a milestone to achieve as you forward trade. Under there, down here, is the current balance in the account, and there's lots of information with regards to open trades later. So we actually let the system run until an entry occurs. You can see it's looking for a new trade trigger. Okay, now we've actually entered a trade. In this particular instance it's a buy trade. You'll notice there are now 3 lines on the chart. The middle line here, that arrow there, is actually where the buy trade occurred, so the price at which the buy trade occurred. Down here, the red line underneath is actually the stop value. Currently, the little white blemish there is showing you that the stop's actually been updated. This will update as the trade progresses. And above here, the green line is actually showing you the 50% partial trade exit target that XPP uses. So if I actually now slow down the video of the live trade and let it run forward for a little bit, a little slower than it was, you should be able to see, in fact, there, if you look at the red line, you can see that the stop is trailing. It's moving up tighter to the action as the price moves positively. Now hopefully we should see this trade actually hit the 50% exit target. Stop is still trading. In fact, if I just stop it there, simply because on the left here, I don't know if you noticed, but there is additional information provided to the user as to the lot size that's in use, the trade that's opened, and also the open P&L, which you can see at the moment is $447.62. Okay, let's let the video continue. And clonk, it just hit the 50% target line. Having done so, it exits half the trade and also then tightens up the stop considerably, so that it's a lot closer to the action. So we've already exited half the trade, and we just let the trade finish. You can see the stop now staying tight with the price action until a final exit has occurred there. Now what's really interesting here is that having exited that trade, we now get closed trade information appearing up here in terms of forward trading evaluation on the chart. So you can actually see that we've closed one trade when the trade was placed. The probability of winning is obviously 100% because we won the trade. The profit made so far, which is $600 and 6%, and the profit made so far in pips is 300 pips. The other thing is, as trades start to close, you'll also start to get broker evaluation with reference to the current spread, and also the slippage, which is saying it currently is 0. Now, though, I know that if I let the video run for another 20 or 30 seconds, we should see a couple more trades. Okay, we've actually entered another buy trade here. So you can see the red line is the buy trade stop. We've got the green line here is where the buy trade entry occurred, and we've got a profit target above. The stop's moving tighter. Now we've exited. In fact, the trade exited very quickly there. Again, if you look at the system forward trading evaluation, you can see now we're up $1,111. And 11% and 556 pips. Another buy trade's been entered. This time it may very well stop out, I'm not sure. No, we're back into profit again. And we've exited again. So that's the third trade on a trot. So if I stop there, so it's a very brief analysis of Xtreme Pip Poacher trading and entering 3 consecutive buy trades, which it's won. Okay, thank you.